Have you ever wondered why learning English feels so hard sometimes? And yet, when you were a baby, you learned your first language so easily, without studying grammar, vocabulary lists, or complicated rules. Today, I'm going to share with you one simple but powerful truth. You can learn to speak English fluently, the same way you learned your mother tongue, naturally without stress and without overthinking. Think about it. When you were a baby, no one gave you grammar lessons. No one made you memorize sentence structures. You didn't study verbs, tenses, or long word lists. You learned by listening. You absorbed the sounds, the rhythm, the words people used around you every single day. You didn't even understand everything at first, and that was okay. You just listened, observed, and slowly started trying to speak. First single word, then short sentences, then complete thoughts. And before you knew it, you were fluent, naturally, effortlessly. That same method still works, even if you're an adult today. If you want to speak English fluently, you must stop treating it like a school subject and start treating it like a living language. Grammar and vocabulary are important, but they come after speaking, not before. You learn to speak first. Then, you learn the rules much later in school. That's how it should be with English, too. Now, here's an actionable plan you can start today to learn English like a newborn. Step 1. Listen, listen, listen. Surround yourself with English. Watch movies, listen to English songs, podcasts, YouTube videos, anything you enjoy. But don't worry if you don't understand every single word. Focus on getting used to the sound, the melody, the patterns of natural speech, just like a baby listens without understanding at first. Step 2. Imitate without fear. As you listen, start repeating what you hear. Copy the tone, the speed, the style. Don't overthink. Don't stop to translate. Mimic like babies do, even if you make mistakes. Focus on the music of the language, not perfection. Step 3. Speak daily, even if it's just to yourself. Talk to yourself in English while you're doing simple things. For example, I am making coffee. I am going to the market. I feel happy today. Simple sentences are powerful. It's not about speaking fancy English. It's about speaking regularly and naturally. Step 4. Create an English environment. Label things around your house in English. Change your phone language to English. Write your shopping list in English. The more you immerse yourself, the faster you will think in English automatically. Step 5. Forget about being perfect. Babies don't wait to be perfect before they speak. They try. They fall. They get up. And so should you. Your goal is communication, not perfection. The truth is, you already have the ability to learn English naturally inside you. You've done it once when you were a baby. You can do it again. Stop stressing about grammar before you even open your mouth. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start listening, start speaking, and trust the natural process. One day soon, you'll realize you're speaking English fluently, easily, and confidently. And it will feel just as natural as your mother tongue. If you're ready to start this natural journey to English fluency, make a commitment today. I will learn English like a newborn, fearless, curious, and unstoppable. Stay consistent, trust yourself, and remember, you were born to speak. Now it's time to speak English the way you were meant to, naturally.